Dunbar shower installation. Step 1, make sure your walls are square and your pan is level. Step 2, set your bottom threshold and your side jamb in place. Make sure that they're square in the opening. We're going to mark where our door guide and our side bumpers go. Step 3, now that we've marked and drilled our holes, let's go ahead and install our bottom threshold, side jambs, and header. We're going to use the supplied hardware. Now let's take a look at the roller carriage. We want to make sure, double check before installing, the rollers are tight to the carriage. Once you've done that, make sure you have the carriage tight to the glass. Step 4, install your glass, check for operation, install your towel bars.